Hi guys, welcome to Servicing channel. Today I'm going to explain about a stock analysis of 5 stocks which will be useful for your good opportunity. Don't miss it out. Add it to your portfolio and watch it till the end of this video. Then only you can able to understand the stock analysis. Okay, let's go now one by one. We will discuss about these stocks. Before that, if you are newcomer, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the like button. Let's go now. We'll discuss about directly in a technical analysis. First I am taking here South Indian Bank. So South Indian Bank, so far oscillation is running. So now it has been found that breakout given at trend line at this point of level. So at present current market is 9.30. So it has been closed now 9.30. So it will be may touch after the breakout 10 price of 10. You can enter at here. So if you are a small investor, you maybe try within the 5,000 rupees. It will be give you a good profit. You can first target fix it at 11.50 and 12.85 second target. So it will be, if you are a long investment person, you can wait up to 6 months or 1 year. It may be reach up to 18 rupees. So until that, you can add it to your portfolio and watch it out. Then you can get your good opportunity for these stocks. Okay, let's go now next stock about which stock. Nalco. This is a government company, National Aluminium. So debit free company also. You can try it. This stock I have been found it here already raised here up to this level. So it may be breakout given at this point of level. At present the market closed at 76. So after 77 or 78, 80 rupees you can enter here. It may be used. It may be go up to 90 rupees, 92 rupees first target. Second target 106. If you want to buy these stocks, you can get a good opportunity. So enter at 80 rupees level. So then only you can get a good profit. So after that, if you continually need to be monitored, because this stock after touch this level, then maybe chance to come down due to these corona issues. So you have to maintain keep your stop loss at 62 rupees or 63 rupees. So don't forget to keep your stop loss, add it to your stop loss also. Then next stock, Orion Paper. So Orient Paper and Industry. Orient Paper is Aditya Birla Group company. So these stocks as of now, just a minute. Double top has been completed. Then now it is a good opportunity we are seeing here. See last 5 days raised volume here also. So if you want to try this stock, you can enter at present the stock price is closed at 27 rupees, 27.70 rupees. If you want to try this stock, you can enter at 28 rupees. And after up to wait now, 30 rupees, 30.7 rupees. So after breakout, it will be go for 40 rupees, up to 40 rupees. So wait up to 30 rupees. You can enter at 30 or 30.207 this place. Then you can get a good profit, 10 rupees within 3 months or 1 month. 1 month to 3 months, you can get a this 10 rupees. So these stock rupees below the 100 rupees I am selecting here because of some small traders, small investor need to be get a good benefit. So that I am taking for these stocks, uh, these 5 stocks. So especially you can also you can keep your stop loss at 22 rupees. Don't forget to maintain your stop loss, because these stocks are very low volume stocks, so that you can continually need to be monitor this kind of stocks. Let's go now next stock, NMDC, National Mineral Development Company. It is also government sector company. So these stocks already given breakout and rise too far. So even though I'm taking here because of it will be go up to first target. If you want to buy this stock, need to be 165 rupees. It is already gone up. Even though you can add it to your portfolio and watch it, if further it will give the breakout 190, then you can enter here. You may get up to some profit 23-25 rupees. So first target you can fix at 206, second target you can fix at 223 with a good opportunity these stocks, and also keep your stop loss at 149 rupees because it may be chance to come down after this breakout. So I'm saying here you can enter after 190 rupees, first target 206 and second target 223, you can fix it. So this is a good rising wedge pattern formation. It is already given as some breakout, so that I'm selected. So no worry about it because of this company is a government sector. Past few days it is rising a volume also. So that I'm selected for a technical analysis. And now Kaveri Seeds. Guys, Kaveri Seeds also so far traveling in a trend line, so upper trend line, so that I'm selected the stocks for technical analysis. So good opportunity we are seeing here at this price level. So 648, it touched 648, after that closed at 639. So it may traveling inside this pressure box, pressure zone area. So after pressure zone area you can enter, until that wait, because it may be chance to return back. So that I am plotted here some pressure zone, demand zone, so you can supply zone, so you can touch here, after that enter. This is the right place to enter. So 684 you can enter, then you can maintain here some few 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or short terms or swing trading or long term. It will be good stock. It is a debit free company, so that I'm selected here for a technical analysis. It will be go up to you can fix at first target 761, second target 829, third target 897. If you are a long term trader, you can a long term investor, you can up to wait for 1020. So fourth target is 1020. So a debit free company, you can add it to your portfolio and watch it. You can enter at 684 rupees, and it may fall down due to some issues, corona issues or news based anything. So you can keep your stop loss at 595 level. So that I mentioned here. I hope you understand these videos and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Keep continue to watch our videos and subscribe. Don't forget to press the like button. Thank you so much. Your supports. Welcome. Again, we will see you next video. Thank you.